Alright, hello, welcome to my new channel. Today we will be doing spacers on my 2014 RAV4. So yeah, it's gonna be maybe a short video, not sure. But yeah, time lapses, all that, installing these. We'll get some before and after pictures of stock, and then once they're on, we got the first tire off. And here's what it's looking like with the spacer. Sketchy standard there. Looking good. This is what we have so far. Looks absolutely crazy. Gonna get a back shot. Hold a pause. So that's the back. That's without a spacer. The rear is without a spacer. The front is with the spacer. Wow. That looks really good. We've only done the front so far, but I will do the rears later. This is nuts. Makes that front look so nice. Okay, so we also got a roof rack for Christmas, which is absolutely sick. Don't worry, we'll put the rear spacers on later, just not right now. But we are going to install the roof rack I just got, which will be sick. And yeah, let's do that. We have got the bars mostly installed and about to put on the roof rack, and I will show that once we get the roof rack on. We just installed the roof rack. That looks amazing. The sun beaming down on it. That is so sweet. Just get a quick glance from the back of here. Woo. That's nice. And then of course, once we get the spacers on there in the rear, this thing's gonna look really sick. we are in Plymouth, and we're just taking these on the power line trails. They're super muddy right now, but this looks so sick. It's crazy. This is like a dream come true, finally getting to go off-roading a little bit. This thing looks really good. Oh my god. It's dripping mud, but boy does it do the work. The skid plate, I know. I gotta get that higher up because it was scraping underneath a little bit on some of those hill climbs, but look at this, it's so sick. Alright, we just made it home from off-roading a little bit, and this is what we got. Mud just dripping everywhere, all on the sides, all on the back here. Yo, we got the Instagram at 840 followers about. Let's see if we can get to 1,000 by the end of the year. Yeah, this thing looks sick. It's gonna need a wash, but 1,000 followers hopefully soon on the Instagram, but yeah. More posts coming here soon too. So I think that'll be the end of today's video. Go follow the Instagram. And yeah, I think that'll be it. Got the spacer put on the first rear after the mudding trip. And look at that sunset, it's beautiful. This car in sunset is like peak. Oh, it's so beautiful. We got the final wheel off. And time to install the last spacer. For anybody wondering what they look like, that's what they look like. And we're about to install this last spacer, which is really sick, and see what this looks like complete once we get that. So put it on and show you guys the final product. And with that, now we got all the wheels done, wide and wide. It looks so sick. It is ready for the mud again after hours. Not an hour, an hour of mudding. And then the skid plate did really well. We got the alpha opening up over there. But yeah, this car is so fun.